We have a randomized controlled trial in Kenya. Insecticide-treated bed nets were tested as a way to reduce malaria. So we have 343 infants using bed nets, 15 developed malaria. Of the 294 not using bed nets, 27 developed malaria. And so we want to use a 0.01 significance to test the claim that the incidence of malaria is lower for infants using bed nets. So first we're going to do a hypothesis test. I'm going to show you how to do this on your TI. Okay, stay up. It doesn't like me right now. Okay, there. Okay, so I'm going to get out my TI. I'm going to go to Stat. I'm going to go over to Tests, and down here I want this 2 proportion z-test. Okay, enter. I'm just going to put in my information. So X1 here is there's 15 infants who got malaria out of 343. Let's see here, 27 got malaria out of 294. Now we wanted to test that our first one using bed nets was lower, so we want less than. So we want P1 is less than, okay? Then we're going to go to calculate. And right there is my test statistic, negative 2.44. There's my p-value, 0.007. And so you can see here we would reject the null and say that, hey, bed nets helped. So right there, that's all your information they give you. All this down here, P1 hat, all this, you can kind of look down and see what all they give you. But right there gave you both your values. You can also do the CI. So part B here, that will also do on your TI. So I'm going to go back to Stat, go back over to Test, but now I'm going to go down and I'm looking for a 2 proportion Z interval. So this one down here. Now you can see it was nice and it kept my data. I can change my confidence level. So this wanted me to find a 99. Now, here's the kicker here. Okay. So it wants a 0.01 significant, but we did a one-sided test. To make this equal, I need 1% in each end. So I need 1% in my end and 1% in the other end. I actually need 2%, so I want a 98% confidence interval. So kind of a heads up there. If you did a one-sided, you're going to need to change this a little bit. You're going to need to double it and then calculate. So then here, my confidence interval is negative 0.095 to negative 0.0013, all negative, which says that, hey, yes, since 0 isn't in there, we'd also reject and say that, hey, looks like bed nets did reduce the rate. So you can see the TI does a really quick and easy job for this. You really don't have to do almost anything on your end to figure it out. You do need to be paying attention though to which type of test you want. Is it not equal to, less than, or greater than? And then how that converts to a confidence interval. So that's definitely the piece to watch out for.